All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back. Happy Friday, everybody. How's everybody doing? John says, I think the BA is going to be a swing for me for the future. All right. Let me tell you something. Did I not tell you we're going to get a rally? I'm telling you, I have to apologize because I really think that I made a mistake. I made a mistake because I think that I told you that we're going to probably get back to the highs of 29,000 by October, November. I think we're probably going to get it by the end of the week, by the end of the month. This is just an unbelievable rally on so many storefronts. Everything is moving. I mean, even companies that are going out of business like Hertz. And I'll tell you why I think Hertz is probably up. That's up so big right now is because I think it has to do a lot with the company's worth more on book than what it reminds me of a Bear Stearns type of deal. When Bear Stearns went from like 100 down to like $4, probably worth more on paper. When they sell everything off, they have so many cars they own. So they probably say, probably that's one of the reasons. But anyway, airlines are doing great. LK, we're killing it on Kel this morning. I mean, we're just getting in and out of LK all day long. I mean, look at this thing. You know what? I was trying to figure out why LK is doing good, right? So I read the news on LK. And remember I told you, like, the government's starting to crack down on all these Chinese companies that they're going to start forcing them into, it's going to audit them. And I said, do not want to be involved with any of those. Well, after kind of thinking about it, after watching it, I think LK is not afraid to show their books now. Now, if that was the case, I really want to see what's going to happen going into this open. We traded the stock yesterday, and we killed it yesterday. And there was a lot of stocks that we did great. Let me go back in yesterday and just show you. Look at LK. The stock was like literally, what was that, $2? It ran all the way to $5, and it tanked because obviously a huge sell-off came in. But look, it gapped up again. It gapped up. So I'm like, why would this stock keep going up? Why would it keep going up? And all I kept on thinking about is they're like, hey, you know what? We want to stay in the U.S. market. Everybody wants to be in the U.S. market. Okay, hands down. We all know that there's no safer place to have your money than here in the United States. Well, anyway, LK's like, you want to order our books? Probably want to order our books. And I'm like, and people are like, holy crap, they're obviously not nervous. So guys, remember we traded the stock. We killed it on LK. My concern is this. I think LK, it's got a 620 resistance. If it breaks that, I mean, if this thing goes past $10, forget it. Forget it. This thing is off to the races. So it could be all BS that would happen regarding, and I don't know. I mean, this is all speculation, but from experience, this is what I'm seeing. And how do I know that? Because I'm a day trader. When you day trade, you know what to look at. All right. Now, what else? Grant is saying Macy's. Macy's taking off. I mean, the list is on and on and on. You got American Airlines, $22. Look at this. That was $12 the other day. $12 freaking dollars. Look where it is right now. And you think you missed a race? Listen, wake up, traders. Okay, wake up. We are having. This is what you train for. This is what I was waiting for. Honestly, I ran out of money. I'm selling my. Listen, you want to buy Boeing? I had to sell Boeing to buy more of something else. Thank God I got out of my. Whatchamacallit, Zoom trade. I went short yesterday, and I wish I still had my short. But this is the totally opposite. The market's going up, Zoom's going down. We already know that already. But I sold my Zoom, and I went short yesterday. I really did really well on my short. But everything is just flying. BA, did it break 200 yet? Yeah. Go Boeing. But anyway, I mean, across the board, if you're short, you're on the wrong side. My sister, I used to trade all the time. She says, if you're not long, you're wrong. I mean, it just list goes on and on. Anything you trade. So today is going to be an unbelievable day. We got UAL moving up pretty well. Look at that. UAL back to 50. Are you kidding me? It's testing that. It just broke that major resistance level. Stock is up 25%. DAL. Love Delta. Stocks going up. It's just, you know what? It was patience, and that's what it was all about. So anyway, all these stocks are doing great. We're just printing money right now. Printing. Oh, look at LK. I bought a huge block of that thing. You know what? I think I'm going to average up. I'm going to average up here on LK. Benito says just made about 60 cents on NLH. I mean, this is like an unheard of Friday. I mean, this is like Black Friday, right? Black Friday, but I'm not going to call it Black Friday. I'm going to come out with a new name. I'm going to call it Green Friday. How about that? We'll call it Green Friday. What do you think? This is just unbelievable. Anyway, I can't even go through the watch list, of yesterday. I mean, everything that we traded did great. Hertz, right? Hertz, HTZ, killed it yesterday in Hertz. Hertz, company was bankrupt yesterday. Look at the thing. The stock was trading at literally 82 cents. Look where it went up to. We killed it. Went to $1.80. The damn stock's at $3. Are you kidding me? This is like, you know what? Because the gap fill. This is what I'm worried about. If you look right here, when the stock on the long-term chart broke the gap fill right here, that's when things change. And that's what I'm concerned about LK. If LK tests that gap fill, that thing's going to do great. So anyway, the list goes on and on and on. You know what? Let me change back to a normal chart. Hold on. So there was a couple of big winners going on, but you know what? Today, I don't think is a day of trading, stocks that we're finding that are pretty big. Look at this list. 60%, 60%, 50%, 50%, 48, 30, 43. And a lot of them all brand name stocks. My God, oh my God, this one's another great one. IVR. Oh, that's right. All the mortgage stocks I saw were coming up too. All the mortgage stocks. IVR, you know what happened? I'll tell you what's going on. I think the PPP loan that they were saying, they're going to extend the PP loan instead of 8 weeks to 24 weeks. That is huge, huge. People are not rushed into it, especially all the crap that's going on with the riots and everything. I think I said, you know what, let's just make these business owners so they could forgiveness and keep the cash for them. So I think that's what's really going on. That's pretty good. That's making the market rally. And then there's some good news that's coming out with airlines. You know when it really all started? When Boeing said that they're starting to go back to their, my God, LK is going. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. I wish I had my bell. I had my office, and I'll ring that bell. I was in for over 13,000 shares. Look at it. All you guys keep printing. Look at this thing. Let me just show this. You know what? We have people on watching Facebook Live and YouTube Live, and they think we're full of crap. You know what? Look at all these people printed money. Look what you guys are missing. Chad just made 35 cents. Ben just made $1.20. Yeah. Oh, Ben brought AVR was up at 5. You brought it up. Look at this. 60 cents. 350. Come on. Anyone else making money? And you know what? This is pre-market. This is not even, the market's not even open. I bet there's so many people out there so ticked off. They're like, what's going on? When can I get in? When am I going to buy? I think you're going to see a huge pop right at the open. Huge pop. Just remember, guys, there's going to probably be some profit taking, but let me tell you what pre-market's all about. A lot of people can't trade, and guys like me and you guys in the trading room are getting in there before the street can get in. So what's happening? We are Wall Street. Everyone else, look at this thing go. Look at this thing. Oh my God. My God, I'm killing it. We're killing it. This is awesome. What else we got moving on? I can't even go down the list, for crying out loud. What else I got going on? We got TTPH that's moving. Forget about that one. You're a scratch. We got LK. We got American Airlines. We got UAL. What else? What else I got on this list? We got Hertz. Shoot, I wish I still had I sold my Hertz too damn cheap. This was what kills me. GoGo? GoGo is actually up. I mean, there's another one that's moving. IVR. Typed it wrong. IVR. Where? There you go. Look at IVR going up. Huge. Huge right there. So we got a bunch of stocks going on. I listen, I don't even know where to start. All I could say is this. If you're short, you're on the wrong side. You are definitely on the wrong side. Okay? And I think a lot of people are covering. I think a lot of people start freaking out. They're like, what the hell's going on? I'm on the wrong side. By the way, IVR, you better keep a close eye on this. This thing got destroyed because of the crash. Okay? Stock was $18. The stock was at $4. It's first day up. You got to keep an eye on them. I know even like all those other things are moving. Listen, everything is moving, all the shipping stocks, everything. But there was a couple of other ones that were bank stocks. There was Times. There was another one. This one's doing awesome. This one's doing great. There was another one too that we HTZ. Barry, oops. You still own a Hertz at 99 cents? 99 cents? Oh my God, that's awesome, man. That is awesome. I'm up like freaking several thousand already this morning, and we didn't even trade. My God, I'm gonna probably have to have a glass of scotch before 10 a.m. the rate we're going. All right, guys, anything else I'm missing? So, a lot of good movement in the market. How much time we got? We got about, God, you got 19 minutes. 19 minutes till the market opens up. 19 minutes. That is crazy. Everything looks like they're starting to back off right now. I'm seeing Hertz backing off, and I'm seeing LK just backed off too. Big time. It just took a huge pop down. Look at that. Ooh. My God, it was up like freaking, I can't even tell you how much it was up right now, but thank God I got a lot of shares. Could it be a pop or a drop? You know what? There's going to be profit taking going on. Save, Jesse. Save got a little bit of a Fausto flag right there. It's got a little bit of a Fausto flag. Once again, $10 up to, doing right there. What else can I got? Yeah, BA just broke that. What else we got? Wow, this thing's dropping pretty fast. Damn. Oh, that was a huge drop. Damn it. All right. That's what's kind of hard when you're doing your webinars. You're in a position and you're like, do you hold on? Do you get out? Do you hold on? Do you get out? So, but I think that's just a big profit take. Anyway, let me just go bring up over here the level 4. Yeah, you can see that right there. I don't really see any big sellers out there. Here was that big buyer out there, and he got executed. Could be a shake. It's probably definitely a shake, but I think it's gonna probably do a quick little bounce. Let's see what happens. You got support resistance levels right here, so it looks like it just tested. So another opportunity probably to jump in. Play is also doing well, right? My God, Play everything. So anyway, like I was trying to get back regarding to Boeing, I had to sell my Boeing because while I was going to tie up $180 stock, where I kind of buy, you could buy a $20 stock or a $10 stock, and it's moving percentage-wise a lot more. That's the only reason why. But there's some great buys opportunities. All right, guys, listen, I'm going to get ready for the open. I don't know if I want to, cutting it short, but is there anything else I missed that I did not bring up? I mean, I know I got people that are logged in right now on YouTube and Facebook. Anything you guys are looking at? Anyone else? What the hell is that? FSRY? Not coming up. Oh, you spelled it wrong. FRSX. That was a hell of a gap right there. Hell of a gap. You had that overnight, Jerry? Good for you, buddy. Looks like it's backing off, though. I may consider taking a profit. Works got crushed yesterday on that earnings announcement, and it's looking pretty good. Unfortunately for them, that was a good short right there. But yeah, that Works is also a nice little short right there. Beautiful. All right. All right. I don't think anyone here has any more questions. All right, listen, guys. Regarding about what's going on, today's Friday. So we're having a really, really volatile market. Look to take the profit. See, I am going to flip out and see what's going to happen when the market opens up. But work looks like a really nice short, by the way. WORK. That does not look good breaking lower lows going into the close, going into the open. But I don't know if it's going to be a full day of work or we're gonna quit early. But you know, to leave everybody off with a couple of things before we go on, I always got people always come up to me and they always say, you know what, I got a job, I got to start. You know what? Let me think about it, whatever it is. Listen, if you got to think about after what you've been seeing here at Cyber Trading, do yourself a favor. Don't even consider getting to this business, because if this does not sell you, like yesterday, I did 2 big events. I was exhausted yesterday. I did an event yesterday. I had 600 people. Okay. And you want to know what? You wouldn't even imagine how many people registered that want a piece of it. And I tell everyone, if you what do you have to lose? If you don't want to see it, you want to get involved, do yourself a favor. Just don't even look at what's going on. But you know what? Disney at 112. You made $4 on that one, Jerry. Disney. Oh my God. Hey, listen, anything you bought, you made money. Anything you're buying, you're killing it right now. Killing it. As of yesterday. But listen, if you got to think about it, trading's not for you. I mean, and by the way, is it too late to get in? Absolutely not. Let me explain something to you. We have 43 million people unemployed right now. 43 million. And the Dow Jones is at 27,000? 43 million, 18,000. Could you imagine if 43 million people go back to work right now, what the Dow Jones and the market would be right now? Think about that. Could you imagine if that was the case? If what's happening right now, if all of a sudden this economy turns, which it looks like it is, and all those people go back to work, you know what? You're gonna come back and you're gonna cry that you wish you didn't get into this market and you wish you didn't get into this business. All right. Oh, Jerry, there is definitely something wrong. All right, everybody. So good luck. Happy trading, everybody. Let's go make some money, and let's get ready for this crazy open. All right, guys? Good luck. Happy trading, everyone.